Everything feels perfect. Summer is here and you are getting ready for your trip in Greece. But you don't know how to speak Greek!
Don't worry, because Glossonauts are here for you.
Our Greek online course is finally here and it's easy as pie.
After many years of research, we crafted the first chapter of your journey in the Greek language.
With our innovative methodology, you are going to get a solid head start in the Greek language.
Brain-friendly video lessons, PDFs packed with theory and practice, interactive dialogues, specially designed songs to help you memorize the basic structures of Greek, printable posters for your Greek wall, and a private WhatsApp community so you will never be alone in your journey.
All the resources you need gathered in one place. Trust me, this is going to be fun! And get ready for an amazing language experience.